Hello and welcome to your next car and a short stock update video on the wonderful 2016 66 Reg 430D M Sport 2-door Coupe. The vehicle previously had the 19-inch 442M BMW alloys on, however we've now upgraded the car with a set of brand new 20-inch 8 Series style alloy wheels that are in gloss black, and I feel they really do finish this wonderful 4 Series off very well. If you do want some more information on the car and a full in-depth walk around, up in the top right hand corner shall now appear a link to that video, and also you'll find that link in the description as well. So we'll just take you around, give you a little bit of basic information on the car. It does come with the full BMW M Sport Plus package alongside the wonderful glass sunroof option, which is going to illuminate this wonderful full Oyster Dakota leather very nicely. That also comes with heated, electric movement and memory options. That wonderful Harman Kardon is going to make that real difference to the interior of an already very nicely spec'd vehicle. Around at the back of the car, we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler, matching rear diffuser, all of which we add ourselves here at your next car. Being that Melbourne red, it's an absolute stunner, especially with the additions we make, and now of course those alloy wheels are really going to make that finishing touch very nicely. As you can see, everything's exceptionally clean and tidy, and of course having that wonderful 3-litre diesel engine is certainly going to make this an ideal car. Of course, not only will it look good, it'll also have the performance to match. So there is a quick stock update on a vehicle that we've previously featured, and as I mentioned, to find out a little bit more about it, simply follow the link down below in the description and up in the top right hand corner. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you all soon. Bye bye.